Powerboating Canada magazine was up in the heart of Muskokas, testing the 198cc Adventure from Tidewater Boats. A dry weight of 1,950 pounds with a fuel capacity of 50 gallons. A 150 Mercury outboard 4-stroke motor comes with a standard gauge package, but it can be upgraded at a customer's request. A T-top AL bimini. And lots of floor space. Excellent for fishing as it comes with 13 rod holders. Plush snap-on seat cushions with plenty of storage compartments below them. Comes with JL stereo 4-inch speakers for great surround sound on the water. The beautiful Sahara interior and detailed stitched cushions. Powerboating Canada magazine took the 198cc Adventure out on the water. The 150 Mercury outboard 4-stroke provided all the thrust and power you would need. This boat handled well through all the turns, and the acceleration on the chop of the water to the smooth glass of the lake. This is an excellent boat for any fisherman, providing you the speed to get to your favorite fishing holes, or taking the family out for a nice run on the lake. The 198 Tidewater has a 150 Mercury 4-stroke outboard with a 19-inch 3-blade propeller and a 45 mile/hour cruising speed. The time on plane with tabs, 3 seconds. Without tabs, 4 seconds.